Hi there. Don't we all struggle at some point in our life with a simple thing called confidence? Learning to be confident is a journey. And let's be real, insecurity is one of the tough nut to crack. But the good news, it's completely normal, and with time and effort, you can build the kind of confidence that sticks. So let's dive into this. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud, and I love sharing all things beautiful with you. Now, have you ever been in a situation where you felt out of place? Like no matter what you did, that little voice in your head kept telling you that you weren't good enough or that you didn't belong. I've been there, and I know how hard it can be to shut that little voice down. But here's the thing, confidence isn't something that appears magically. It's a journey, step by step, moment by moment. When I first started my interior design business, especially focusing on integrating tribal arts and crafts into luxury spaces, I was filled with self-doubt. People questioned my vision. They'd say things like, "Why mix luxury with traditional crafts?" Or, "This market might not accept it." Every comment chipped away at my confidence. I had moments where I thought, maybe they're right. Maybe I should just stick to what's expected. But deep down, I knew I was onto something unique. It wasn't easy. I had to learn to trust myself, even when no one else did. I attended workshops, sought mentorship, and kept improving myself day by day. Slowly but surely, that confidence grew. I started seeing the impact my work had, not just on spaces but on the craftsmen whose art I was helping to preserve and promote. They gave me the boost I needed. It was a gradual process, but I got there. Now here's what I want you to take away from this. Insecurity is part of the process. It's a sign that you're pushing yourself out of your comfort zone, and that's where the magic happens. It's okay to have doubts, but what's more important is how you respond to them. For instance, in my journey, every time I doubted myself, I would remind myself of my why. Why I chose this path. Why I wanted to stand out in the market. And every time I leaned into that purpose, my confidence grew a little more. So, if you're feeling insecure right now, I want you to remember, it's okay. Confidence isn't something you either have or you don't have. It's something you build over time. Start small. Whether it's speaking up in a meeting, trying something new, or standing by your unique ideas. Every small win adds up. And before you know it, that insecurity will shrink. Believe in your journey. And more importantly, believe in yourself. The world needs the unique voice only you have to offer. Insecurities and all. Thank you for watching, and if you found this helpful, do share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the like button. And remember, confidence is a journey, and you're exactly where you need to be. Keep going. You've got this. I love you. I believe in you. Until next time, keep smiling.